Captain! Left side is watching left!
Keep pushing.
I pulled the pin, I don't know what happened.
Yeah. Thank you.
Left side pushing left.
Support him from the rear. All right. Get moving, get moving, get moving.
Move VP out of here.
Someone take his plate carrier off.
How many do you need?
Take his plate carrier.
I'm holding long right now. Go, go.
Back in the bushes. Try to stay off the road.
Hey, that's it. Go.
I'm gonna push into the trees. Yeah, push into the trees. I'll come with.
Roger.
Hey.
Right side, move.
Torres, stay where you are. Hold security rear.
Look behind you. Do you think that there's opening?